smoking on queef. Tonight, pussy getting buried.
Report about the accident.
That's true, but what about my lunch? I'm famished.
I thought you were extremely resistant to hunger.
Any?
Perfect. Let's go and question the hippopotamus. Then we'll take care of Speedy Raccoon. Sherlock!
That is not the question. By ordering sushi, the raccoon will come over to my house right away, and we can ask him all the questions.
Yes, I think you're starving and you just don't want to admit it.
That's not the least bit true.
That Speedy Raccoon sure is touchy.
Yeah, he could have left us sushi. Chef Panda, where are you going?
Sweetie Pie and I are gonna go off on a trip, so I'm gonna prepare a snack.
A picnic? Hermione, I trust you completely. I'll let you take care of the rest of the things. Wait, I'll sort out the restaurant.
Thanks, Sherlock. What can I do to thank you?
Oh. Can I dare ask you for the recipe of your oat cream with chives?
I can do this alone, no problem. Why am I telling this to a crazy monster clown? Time to put my money where my mouth is. But first, time to put food where my mouth is.
Mommy, I got a bloody nose. Well, did you expect me to cook it for you here?
Okay, if that's making me hungry.
Get your protozoan smoothies!
Smoothies? Hey, I am cheerful. I'm psyched to go find some superhero action to get into. And something to eat that's not in the tentacle food group.
Knock it off! I know you're hungry, stomach, but I can't exactly hide waffles in these tights. You'll just have to suck it up because today is picture day. We gotta get to school so I can finally get it right this time.
World, Rex. I'm sure you have a lot of questions, but I have one for you. Are you hungry?
Wow! I feel so strong, so powerful, and so hungry. Find me. But which way is it? Might need to refuel first. And if I save it, then maybe I won't be so hungry later. Oh, who am I kidding? I've got to eat. Hey!
I already know it. The lion! Whoa, do you hear that? That's just my ferocious stomach. What do you want for breakfast, Chris?
I also feel kind of sleepy. And really hungry. Oh, I need to find something to eat.
Look up. They can be high in the canopy.
This search might take a while. Time for a snack.
Getting Spot Swat away from his new mother? That's gonna be a lot tougher than we thought. The lion's back! No, that's just my stomach growling. Oh, okay. Well, let's have lunch then, and come up with a plan.
The katydids, the stream, the rumble in my hungry stomach. We have lots of senses that we can use in the dark.